Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. All you have to do is simply open up your Facebook. Once it opens, you just need to click over the profile icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will be shown a menu with different options. You just scroll down and click over the settings and privacy option from the bottom. On the settings page, you just click over the settings option from the top. Here is the settings page with different main options like Account Center, Tools and Resources, and Preferences. You just have to click over the new feed form preferences. And now you will be shown the page of what's in your feed, with some options available here. I am going to click on the third one, Unfollow. Here, different profiles will appear. To unfollow them, you just have to click on them. There is no confirmation required here. It is the direct and fastest way to unfollow. Simply click over them and go back to the previous page. Now again, go back to the unfollow option. And if you look at the profiles, you are not going to find the profiles that you have unfollowed, so this was the quickest way to unfollow everyone you want. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.